Hey everybody, welcome back! Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into 9 heart-healthy foods you need in your diet. A happy heart is a healthy heart, and what we eat makes all the difference. That's why I'm so excited to share this list with you. Some of these might be old favorites, but trust me, I've got a few surprises up my sleeve. Stick around. Let's start with a real winner: fatty fish. When it comes to foods that truly support your heart, fatty fish are at the top of the list. These delicious swimmers are not only packed with flavor, but they're also loaded with nutrients that your body craves. Think salmon, mackerel, even sardines. These are some of the most popular fatty fish you'll find at your local market, and each one brings its own unique taste and texture to the table. Salmon is rich and buttery, mackerel is bold and flavorful, and sardines are small but mighty, perfect for a quick snack or a protein-packed meal. What makes these fish so special? They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats your heart loves. Omega-3s are essential fats, meaning your body can't make them on its own. You have to get them from your diet. These healthy fats help keep your heart's rhythm steady, lower inflammation, and even support brain health. Omega-3s help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies show that people who eat fatty fish regularly have a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. That's because omega-3s can help reduce triglycerides, decrease plaque buildup in your arteries, and keep your blood vessels healthy and flexible. Fatty fish is so versatile. Grill it, bake it, or flake it into a salad. You can make a quick weeknight dinner by simply seasoning a fillet with herbs and lemon, then popping it in the oven. Or try grilling mackerel for a smoky, savory flavor. Flake cooked salmon over a fresh salad for a light lunch, or mix sardines with a little olive oil and lemon for a tasty spread on whole grain toast. I love making simple salmon with roasted asparagus and a squeeze of lemon. It's a meal that feels fancy but takes just minutes to prepare. The combination of tender fish, crisp asparagus, and bright lemon is not only delicious but also incredibly nourishing for your body. Next time you're at the store, grab some fatty fish. Your heart will thank you. Whether you're new to cooking fish or a seasoned pro, adding fatty fish to your weekly meals is one of the easiest and tastiest ways to boost your heart health. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits with every bite. Next up, let's talk about one of nature's most colorful and delicious gifts: berries. These tiny fruits are not only bursting with flavor, but they're also packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, these are often called nature's candy, and for good reason. They're sweet, juicy, and incredibly satisfying, but unlike regular candy, they're loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Each berry brings its own unique set of nutrients to the table, making them a powerhouse addition to any diet. Antioxidants are special compounds that help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can harm your cells and contribute to aging and diseases like heart disease and cancer. Berries are especially rich in these antioxidants, such as vitamin C and anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and powerful health benefits. But that's not all. Berries are also an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, and it helps sweep away bad cholesterol from your body, supporting heart health. Plus, fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, which can help with weight management and curb unhealthy snacking. There are so many delicious ways to enjoy berries. I love tossing a handful into my morning smoothie for a burst of flavor and nutrition. They're also perfect mixed into yogurt, sprinkled over whole grain cereal, or simply enjoyed on their own as a refreshing snack. For a special treat, try making a fruit salad with a dollop of whipped cream, or layer them in a parfait for a beautiful, healthy dessert. Berries aren't just good for you, they're fun to eat and can bring people together. Whether you're sharing a bowl with family or enjoying a quiet moment with a berry-filled snack, you're giving your body a boost and treating your taste buds at the same time. So next time you're at the market, don't forget to stock up on fresh berries. They're a sweet, healthy boost for your heart, your immune system, and your overall well-being. Enjoy them every day for a delicious way to support your health. Let's talk about nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, crunchy, satisfying, and full of heart-healthy, unsaturated fats. These fats help lower cholesterol, and nuts are also packed with protein and fiber. Choose unsalted varieties to keep sodium in check. My go-to snack: a handful of almonds with fruit, add nuts to your salads or trail mix for a heart-healthy crunch. When it comes to nourishing your heart, whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are some of the best foods you can choose. These grains are not only delicious and versatile, but they're also packed with nutrients that support your cardiovascular health in so many ways. Unlike refined grains, which have been stripped of their beneficial fiber and nutrients, whole grains retain all parts of the grain kernel. This means they're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and especially fiber, which is a true friend to your heart. The fiber in whole grains acts like a gentle broom, sweeping away bad cholesterol from your bloodstream and helping to keep your arteries clear. It also helps regulate your blood sugar, which is important for preventing heart disease and maintaining steady energy throughout the day. Making the switch from refined grains like white bread or white rice to whole grains is a simple change that can have a big impact on your heart health. Even small swaps like choosing whole grain bread or brown rice can make a real difference over time. Personally, I love starting my mornings with a warm bowl of oatmeal, topped with juicy berries and a drizzle of honey. It's a comforting, satisfying breakfast that keeps me full and energized while also giving my heart the nutrients it needs. Whole grains are also a great way to bring the family together at mealtime. Kids can help stir oats or sprinkle on their favorite toppings, making healthy eating fun and interactive. For lunch or dinner, try serving brown rice instead of white. Brown rice has a nutty flavor and a satisfying texture, and it pairs perfectly with stir-fries, curries, or roasted vegetables. Or, if you're looking for something a little different, quinoa is a fantastic side dish. It cooks quickly, is packed with protein, and works beautifully in salads or as a base for grain bowls. The best part is, whole grains are easy to add to almost any meal. Toss some cooked grains into salads, soups, or even use them as a base for a hearty bowl with your favorite veggies and proteins. Don't forget about whole grain pasta or crackers for snacks. These are tasty ways to sneak in more heart-healthy grains throughout your day. By making whole grains a regular part of your diet, you're giving your heart the love and care it deserves. Your heart will thank you for every delicious, wholesome bite. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and heart-healthy nitrates. Nitrates help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Toss them in salads, sauté with garlic, or blend into smoothies. Make leafy greens a regular part of your diet for a heart-healthy boost. Avocados are creamy, delicious, and packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol. They're also rich in potassium for healthy blood pressure and fiber for fullness. I love avocados on toast, in salads, or as guacamole. Indulge in avocado goodness, your heart will thank you. Beans and legumes, black beans, chickpeas, lentils, are fiber and protein powerhouses. They're low in fat and sodium, making them perfect for heart health. Toss them in salads, soups, or make a simple black bean salad with lime and cilantro. Stock up on beans and legumes for a heart-smart pantry. Good news! Dark chocolate is actually heart-healthy. It's rich in flavonoids, which have antioxidant properties. Dark chocolate can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. Enjoy a small square or two with a cup of green tea for a guilt-free treat. Remember, moderation is key. Savor every bite. Olive oil is a Mediterranean staple and a heart health superstar. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol. Drizzle it over salads, use it for cooking, or dip bread in it for a simple, delicious snack. Make olive oil your go-to for heart-healthy meals. There you have it, 9 heart-healthy foods that are easy, delicious, and great for your ticker. Start adding these to your diet today, and remember to check with your doctor before making big changes. Thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, and share for more healthy recipes. Stay happy and healthy.